So before you watch this video, there's one thing I want you to do. Like this video and subscribe if you're new. Yo, what is good, YouTube? What is good, man? So today is the day that I'm gonna be reviewing the Oster Octanes. And I know they've been out for like 3 years, bro. Like, they've been out for like 3 or 4 years. Like, no lie, they've been out for a minute. But today is the day I'm gonna review them. Whoo-wee. Can't wait to use you, boy. You sounded like a diamond, bro. Let's go. Hey, yo, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy Meso in here, and today I'm going to review the Oster Octanes. So this is the box that they come in, just a chill regular box. It just tells you all about the clipper and stuff like that. So right now we're going to go ahead and open up the box, and as soon as I take out the box, it's in another cardboard box. And then what you get inside is the instruction manual with like all your warranty stuff in it, or like all of your like your little miscellaneous things that you're really not gonna read. I don't think anybody really reads those. But and then right here is the charging pad. The charging pad actually comes with an extra space to charge up an extra battery if you want to buy another battery, so you can put the clipper and then an extra battery on the side, so you can always like just keep moving. Okay, so right here is the actual clipper. You know what I'm saying? As soon as I took it out of the I'm about to say saran wrap, but as soon as I took it out of the packaging, the first thing I noticed was how slick and sleek the just how slick the clipper is. Like, it's carbon fiber on the top, and then you get an extra #1 blade, and then the battery is already included in it, and it's already so light with the battery in it. And then you get your lubricating oil, and then you get like a little clipper brush. You know what I'm saying? I guess it's just to get those small hairs, but nobody is going to use that. Nobody that I know. You know what I'm saying? And the battery is really small. It's a lithium ion battery. Excuse me, but like I said, this clipper is crazy. Let me tell you, it's worth $300. Okay, so YouTube, I just really wanted to explain what you saw in that last clip. I wanted to keep it real quiet so that you can hear the actual clipper at work. But let me tell you this. They push through bulk really easy and really smooth. Like, these clippers are really, really smooth. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know how Oster 76s, they are also really smooth, like just as a clipper, but it's really loud and it's really like the weight is bad and the cord is too heavy. So basically what you get in this clipper is the same thing as the Oster 76, but just the weight distribution is great. Like the it's just great, you know what I'm saying? It pulls through hair, it doesn't snag, has endless power. And another big thing is, as the battery goes down, the power does not go down. Like with your wall or your especially like wall clippers, they go down as soon as the battery starts going down, like the speed of the motor and stuff like that. But let me say this, excuse the sirens in the background. There is a reason why Oster takes so long with coming out with new clippers. The Oster 76er has been out like ever since barbering was created. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, they are staples. But those clippers are so mandatory that it's crazy. And it's a reason why. Like, it's a reason why they came out with these now, and it took them so long to do that. So I'm just saying, just watch out for the Oster fast feeds. And later on in this video, the cordless fast feeds. But later on, I'm really going to explain what I really like in this clipper. So make sure you watch the full video and leave a thumbs up. YouTube, that might be the best detachable clipper I've ever used, and I mean that. And I have used every detachable clipper that's out. I've used the Super ZR2s, I used the BGRCs, I used the Oster 76s. I use just about everything, and those have to be the best detachable clippers that I've ever used. I'm not a lying man, I'm not a liar. I do not lie. Like, I'm being dead serious. That has to be the best. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I'm gonna be really honest right now. The way that clipper works, bro, like, it's crazy, man. Like, I have never, like, ever used a detachable clipper that is so light and works so great. Like, I mean, they're lighter than wall magic clips, bro. Like, you know how light magic clips are, and the weight distribution on it makes you real smooth on the top. And it's like the Babyliss Gold Effects clippers, like how the weight is distributed. It's like light like the wall magic clip. And the power in them Jones, like, they do not die, bro. Like, I mean, I use them, I'm sure they die, but every haircut I use them on every single haircut I did today. And I did about 8 haircuts today. I think like 7 or 8 haircuts today. And I use them on every single haircut, bro. Like for the main haircut. Like, only except for one haircut I didn't use them on because I was charging them up in the morning. But for every other haircut that I use them on, they are by far, like I don't mean this, I'm not hyping it up, I'm not doing extra, like, those are great detachable clippers. Like, if you're a barber that uses detachable clippers and you've been using you know what I'm saying, like, you've been using like a cord and you scared to move on from a cord, bro, I say move on from a cord, bro, and just buy them, bro. Like, buy those clippers, bro. Like, how smooth it is. Like, I mean, like, these are like 10 out of 10, bro. I don't really give 10 out of 10s, but these clippers are 10 out of 10. Are 10 out of 10 easily.